In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Some of the people are found inactive despite the fact that they need to do a lot, despite the fact that they can do a lot, but still they remain busy, either brooding, thinking with sadness, or they are found busy in the time passing activities and not the productive activities. While another some of the people, these people are found busy, active in the useful things, beneficial and productive things. These people remain busy in that. They have a good routine. Some of the things they do in a routine, and other some of the things they do off and on, as and when needed. But they do whatever is needed, whatever is required. Otherwise, they are busy. They are found busy in beneficial and useful routines. They have good habits. Their habits are making them more healthy. Their habits are keeping them active physically, mentally. Their habits are actually protecting them from the diseases, physical diseases. Their habits are actually keeping them away from the psychological troubles and from the psychological problems, and their habits are actually protecting them from the financial disaster, and their habits are actually making them financially prosperous, socially prosperous. Why is it so? Some of the people are busy in promoting, developing themselves, while another some of the people are not busy. They are found look busy, do nothing routine. They are found in a look busy, do nothing routine, which is really bad, which is really useless. Why is it so? Some of the people, they find themselves, some of the people, they keep themselves in an empowering state of mind. Some of the people keep themselves in an empowering state of mind, while another some of the people keep them in a disempowering state of mind. The disempowering state of mind does not allow them to become active, and does not allow them to do the hard work, does not allow them to keep busy in the useful, in the productive, and in the beneficial activities. Disempowering mean low spirits. Disempowering mean low spirits. Empowering state of mind mean high spirits. Anybody and everybody who keeps oneself in a high spirit, anybody and everybody who keep oneself in an empowering state of mind will become ready for the hard work, will become ready for the productive work, will become always ready to pay the price of success, while the people who keep themselves in a disempowering state of mind, these people are not ready to do the hard work. These people are not ready to do the smart work. These people are not ready to pay the price of success. So, the basic thing is, the first and the foremost thing is, whether we are keeping ourselves in an empowering state of mind or in a disempowering state of mind. I think this plays a decisive role where we are going, where we are heading. This plays a decisive role. Whether we are in an empowering state of mind, or we are in a disempowering state of mind, it plays actually a decisive role. It makes us either a winner or a loser. Anybody and everybody who is usually found in an empowering state of mind will be a winner and will be a leader. People who are in an empowering state of mind, they are not only they not only that they are winners, rather they are the leaders as well. They are the leaders as well. They are the inspiring personalities, and they have a very strong aura. If a person, if a group of people sit with them, they will be charged and they will be motivated and they will be inspired as well. Why? Because he she is a person who always remain, or most of the time remains, in an empowering state of mind. This empowering state of mind actually keeps you active and keeps you busy, and your activeness and your busyness and your hard work make you a successful human being, make you a far better human being, make you a really inspiring personality, a motivating person, a motivating human being. Keep yourself as much positive as possible, because the highest level of positivity makes you a person who is having up an empowered state of mind. It is the positivity actually, it is the hope actually, it is the enthusiasm actually, it is the positive emotions actually, it is the positive energy actually. Empowering state of mind keeps your energy level high. Empowering state of mind keeps your energy high. It will make you energetic. An empowering state of mind will makes you energetic. Do you want to become energetic? Definitely, and definitely, and even more definitely, you, I, the rest of the people, as a matter of fact, each one of us needs to be in an empowering state of mind, because it makes us a winner, because it makes us a leader. It does not make us a winner only, rather it makes us a leader as well. If at all we want to become a leader, if at all we want to lead the people, we need to become active. We need to keep ourselves in an empowering state of mind. We need to keep ourselves in an empowering state of mind. This empowering state of mind actually is everything. It is a difference between the losers and the winners. It is the difference actually which either keeps us active or keeps us inactive, keeps us energetic or sluggish, inactive, in a state of inertia. Thank you.